Welcome to the testing world. In this session, I'm going to create a first shell file. In that shell file, I'll show you how we can use comments and how we can display some data on the terminal. I'm moving to my terminal. My present location is home testing world. I'm creating a folder over here, shell scripts, and I'm moving to this folder now. So my location is home testing world shell script. Here I'm going to create a first shell script file. So I'm giving the name first shell script. Extension must always be sh, which shows shell script file. As we enter, we are here on Vim Editor. We have already covered Vim Editor in the previous session, so we know that if we want to write something here on the Vim Editor, first we need to go for insert mode. So I'm pressing I and now I'm in a insert mode. Here we can check we are on the insert mode. Now, so first I'll show you how we can write comments on this file. So if you want to write any comment on the shell file, we are going to use hash. This is comment line, and the comment lines are not going to execute. This is just for the information purpose. So hash is used for making comments in the shell file. Next, we are going to cover how we can display some data on the terminal. To display some data on the terminal, we are going to use echo. What data you want to display on the terminal? So I am writing, this is my first shell file. Here you can see whatever the data we want to display, we can either write in double quotes or you can use single quote as well. Last line of shell file. We can use single quotes as well as double quotes. We have some difference between the single quote and double quote. I'll cover this difference in the next session when we are going to create variables. So a file is created. We need not to use any semicolon here in the shell file. Now, as we have already seen in Vim sessions, like if my task is done and I want to save this file, I'm going to escape :WQ, write and quit. W means write and Q means quit. Enter. Here I want to check my file is created or not. So ls-la, and it shows yes, my file is created. So that's a first shell file which is created. As of now, the mode of this file is read and write, but before executing we need to set mode of the file is read, write and execute. Means I want to execute this file, we will have to make it executable. So how to change mode we are going to cover in the next session.